Are you just starting on social media and you're wondering whether you should go on LinkedIn? Well, stay tuned because I will tell you what are the benefits and drawbacks of LinkedIn for your business. Now, as you know, LinkedIn is a little bit more professional platform than all the other ones that we've been discussing before, and it has its benefits and its drawbacks. Now, let's start from benefits. First of all, LinkedIn has over 380 million users at the moment in over 200 countries. So it is very, very international platform. So if you're, for example, trying to build a business internationally, this will be a very good platform for you. What is more, depending on the kind of business that you have, LinkedIn might be perfect platform because it caters very well for B2B businesses. So if you're a business that serves other businesses, this is going to be a great platform for you because it hosts a lot of business people. LinkedIn is also a little bit more professional platform. So again, depending on the kind of product that you have, it might be more beneficial for you than to anybody else. So, for example, if you are selling solutions for high businessmen, maybe you're selling some sort of coaching, or maybe you're selling the product that is used in a little bit higher level, then it's going to be a good platform for you. Another benefit is that users on LinkedIn have usually a little bit higher educational level and a little bit higher purchase power. So if your product is a little bit more expensive or a little bit more luxurious, this might be the place for you. Another huge benefit of LinkedIn is that it has the highest organic reach at the moment from all platforms. Now, in the past, LinkedIn used to be a little bit more like my online CV kind of platform. However, now it also promotes the content being put by users. And because there's still more people that are watching the content than the people that are providing content on LinkedIn, you might get visibility much, much easier. Now, what does it mean? Let's say that you have 1,000 followers on LinkedIn and 1,000 followers on Facebook. On Facebook, at the moment, around 5% of your followers will see your post when you post on Facebook. So even though they follow you, they still won't see your content. However, on LinkedIn, it is going to be much, much higher, which means that for much less money on advertising, you will get to much more people. What is also a huge benefit on LinkedIn is that you can reach very specific kind of audience. So if you will decide to run an ad on LinkedIn, for example, or if you just decide to reach very specific kind of people on specific level in their business, you can do it. And as an example, you might want to target marketing managers in your area to see your advert. Not anybody else, not salesmen in those companies, not CEOs of these companies. You want your advert to be seen by marketing managers because those are the ones that make the decisions whether to use your business or not. You can do that on LinkedIn. Now, what are the drawbacks of LinkedIn? First of all, it's all depending on your product and what are you selling. Because some products are not going to be easy to sell on LinkedIn. For example, if your product is somehow linked to a much younger audience, LinkedIn will probably not be the place where they hang out. Or if your product is specifically direct at the biggest amount of people, like you want everyday people to buy it, not just business professionals. So for example, you're selling some sort of beauty wellness product. You're saying massage oils. If you want to target spas to buy from you, LinkedIn might be a great platform for you. But if you want people to buy your oils for their own use at home, this might not be the best platform for you. So it depends what is your target audience and whether you will be able to find them on this platform. Apart from that, LinkedIn has no drawbacks, and LinkedIn is actually something that you should be looking into. Even if you don't want to be super consistent and provide content, make sure you have LinkedIn because many of your customers might want to check if you're present there and who you are. So that is it. There are benefits and drawbacks on LinkedIn. As you have seen, there's definitely more pros than cons. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified about future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.